Here we have a 2020 BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Plus Edition. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport calipers just behind. Along with the oxide grey paintwork, we have the LED headlights, the two kidney grills at the front. And coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. And taking a step back, you'll find the colour-coded door handles, the black mirrors and black trim around the windows. We have the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae. And down here we have the third alloy wheel. Now this car does have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Coming around to the back, you'll find the dual exit exhaust along with some XDRIVE badging. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the fourth and final alloy wheel. And coming inside, you'll find a full leather interior. Take a look at the back first. In here you'll find the contrasting grey stitching, the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points along with the M Sport style seat belts. In the centre you'll find the separate climate control for the rear passengers. And onto the doors you'll find a brushed metal handle, electric windows and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. In the front you'll find the same full leather interior with contrasting grey stitching. However, these front seats are heated. Moving on to the doors, you'll find the same brushed metal handle, electric windows with tri-lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Here we have the auto lights. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel with the likes of cruise control and speed limiter. Taking a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard just there. We also have the main infotainment screen just here. Putting our foot on the brake and pressing the start-stop button, the vehicle will start up just like that. Now onto the main infotainment screen, you'll see the likes of sat-nav. We also have plenty of other options such as media, with DAB radio, Spotify and Bluetooth audio. We have the phone connectivity just there. Scrolling further down here, you go onto apps, you find the likes of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with plenty of other apps just here. Putting the car into reverse, you'll see the reverse camera and parking sensors. We can also switch between different drive modes, such as adaptive, just there. We have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. Further down from there, if we press this button, you'll see the intelligent safety, making this car a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there, we have the air conditioning, along with the different climate control options just here. Here we have the radio. We have a nice little compartment inside of here with a wireless charger and a USB port. We also have a 12-volt connectivity and two good-sized cup holders that can be closed off, however. Here we have the gear stick and plenty of buttons such as shortcuts for the main infotainment screen. We have the traction control button, the parking sensors button. We also have the different drive modes, the auto hold button and the electric handbrake. Over here we have a nice soft touch leather armrest which can be opened up for additional storage. Inside of here you'll find a Type-C USB port. Now that is everything I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. We also have the heads-up display which I forgot to mention. But this vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals, free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.